Jatatije kaduol matayo penj e pacho ka David Njagere osiemo jota penj kaachiel kod jotelo e skunde mitime penj e ting'o simbegi e kinde mag penj. Njagere mane loso thika kama noyawe otese mag penj okoni simu pod en gima nyalo kelo midhiero koni oridne ji modonjo kod simu e od penj. Bende oloso ewi midhiero mar koth masani go gwenge mathoth e pacho ka. Oyango ni gigolo kalapapla ne gwenge ma koth omuomo kendo chenro mag penj biro dhi nyime e counties maonge midhiero moro amora.
I also want to welcome our colleagues in Penj.
We have issued a circular to everybody who is going to be in the spaces where the examinations are being administered, that they must surrender their phones. That is including the center managers, anybody who is working in the school compound, whether it is a cook or a secretary or a grounds person or security. Everyone must surrender their phones to the supervisor, who is going to secure the phones in a locker. The gates must remain open. As the exam materials are being ferried into the school and the gates are opened for the vehicles to enter, the gates remain open until when the materials are taken away back to the container.